Hello everyone, so I'm going to introduce our newest products. The chest freezer. For this model, they come in with the front have the handlebar right here and the lockers right here. Let's take a look at the overall size first. Overall length will be 50 inches. Entirely depth about like 31 inches. Include handlebar and the back hinge. Overall height will be 32.5 inches. As you can see the front, we have the water gin at the front, at the bottom, and the controllers right here, the switchers from the 1 to 7, the level adjusters, and you have all the lights right here to notify you the machine running, or they have power on and the alarm. And as you can see, they have a 110 plugs on the side, this one. And on the back side, we have a stickers. Let's take a look at the back side. Okay, as you can see, we're having the car sheets right here. And they have the ETL sanitation approval stickers right here. And this is the back side. Let's take a look at the inner side overall dimensions. About 44 inches in the length. 24.5 inches in the depth, 21 inches in the width. And the baskets, they come in with 2 on this unit. About like a 20.5 inches by 11 inches, almost 11 inches. And 9 inches in the depth. That's all information for the inner side. And thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.